Welcome back to the channel, YouTubians. Paddock Card Scale Dreams here. First off, I just want to thank everyone for the support in the last video. I really appreciate it. So today we are gonna see if Fusion Firm is as good as they say. I've watched a few videos on this. I just got this in the mail last week. I haven't been had a chance to try it out. So I'm eager to try this through the airbrush. So just reading what it says on the back here. So the ethanol is the ingredients, aluminum paste, resin, and then it has a gold plating protective lacquer water-based resin. Shelf life is 36 months. So the product use suitable for DIY projects, home decor, even a professional use. Turning everyday items into works of art, adding a touch of elegance and luxury to any project. Add fine lines, painting, draw, resin, ceramic edges, gilded frame detail, and add a vintage effect. So obviously you're going to practice good painting techniques with this. Apply a thin layer to the surface. So that's using the brush. Wait for the first thin layer to dry completely. Apply a second layer. After it is completely dried for 72 hours, apply a smooth layer of the varnish. So I don't think I'm going to use the varnish just because experience tells me that it, with any other chrome that I've used, it's had a negative effect on the shine, like the like the chrome effect. So I'm not going to use that. This has a mixing bowl in it, so it's pretty easy to mix up. It looks pretty thin. I'm going to try it through the airbrush and see if it works. Yeah, and we'll see if this stuff really is as good as they say. So I'll bring you over to the paint booth. We'll get this in the airbrush and we'll shoot a couple items.
Alright, so I'm using my eyeliner Revolution. It's got the 0.5 needle in it. We got caught up in the bowl. See that? Some of if there's any dust on there. It's all been washed already. Just putting a light coat on first, get some good coverage. I'll show you how this all looks. Perfect. So we'll meet you back at the bench and we'll have a look.
Okay, we're back at the desk and we're gonna have a look at a couple things that we did. So these are Keystone Classics from, yeah, I believe these are from Iceman. So those look really, really chromy. It's kind of hard to tell like what kind of reflection you're getting with these curved surfaces that I've mostly done. I just threw these ones on and did these. These are just extra rims I had laying around in the parts box. I hit this Iceman Collection carb. Looks pretty nice. Pretty awesome stuff. Definitely the hype is real. So I had trouble getting this stuff delivered to Canada. I could not find it on my own, like on the Canadian Amazon site. It wasn't until I followed Barbados Rex's link to this stuff that I finally found it. I tried another link on another channel. I can't remember what channel it was. Look at those valve covers. Those look awesome. I couldn't find it on any other link that I used, but Barbados Rex link worked for me. And then when I bought it, ordered it, paid the shipping, it completely disappeared off of my Amazon, where you check your orders and whatnot. And then I looked on my banking information. It said I paid, and so I thought maybe I got duped. And then 2 days later it showed up in the mail, and it didn't show up on when it was going to arrive or anything. There was no record that I even purchased it. It was weird, but it ended up coming in thankfully. And here's what it looks like. It looks pretty damn good, I gotta say. I do have Alcad, and I've never used it yet, but I will eventually. But like I've heard from many people, you can't really handle it. I don't know what this stuff's gonna be like, but I'm gonna let it dry for 72 hours. I think I'll let it dry naturally rather than sticking it in the dehumidifier. So you can see I couldn't quite get down on that lower section of this rim. It was kind of hard to reach because these are pretty wide compared to the fronts. But still, that's going to look pretty sweet once I get these Keystone Classics detailed up. I don't have a project in mind for them. I just pulled them out of the pegboard and figured, oh, I might as well paint these up. Been wanting to see what these would look like. So, like I said, I'm going to let them dry up for 72 hours. And, yeah, pretty happy with this stuff. Definitely recommend it. Sorry I can't provide a link to Fusion Firm. I did a few days ago when I first got this. I broke it out right away, and the only thing I used it on was the tips on the tip, like the air cleaner right here, and that worked really nice. So that was just with the brush. You can see how shiny that is. I used it on the cap. And oh yeah, and oh no, this is no, that's a different chrome. But yeah, the turned out. Oh, and I used it on the belt buckles and the steering wheel. That's right. So I did use this with the brush. It works really, really good. It's pretty amazing for the price, I think, because I can't remember exactly what I paid for my Alcad. It says $14.50 just on that, and that's not including the black base. I don't have a price on that, but that's not even including the black base. And this stuff, this Fusion Firm, I didn't do any prep work in terms of putting black or putting primer or anything. I just shot it right over the plastic, the valve covers, right over the plastic. That was bare plastic. And this was the 3D stuff, bare right over the 3D print. This was right over plastic. So yeah, this stuff does work. It's pretty amazing, looks great, and fairly cheap. And as you can see in the bottle, I'm right here, and I've painted all this stuff, so it's barely gone down at all. I'll be able to paint quite a few more things. Hopefully I can try and find that link again and get some more of this stuff, because I'll definitely want more of it. Alright, well, I appreciate you guys checking out the video. Hopefully you guys got something out of this. If not, let me know what your findings are with this stuff if you've used it, and we'll talk to y'all soon. Thanks for watching. Pat out, model on.
Thank you. Thank you very much.